Better than walking. 3 easy moves to strengthen your second heart and legs after 60. Surgeon approved. If you're over 60 and think walking alone is enough to stay fit, think again. Doctors are now revealing that while walking helps the heart, it doesn't fully wake up your second heart, a powerful muscle in your lower leg called the soleus. It's responsible for pumping blood from your legs back to your heart, keeping your energy high and preventing swelling and fatigue. But here's the problem. As we age, this muscle weakens because most daily movements don't activate it deeply. That's why your legs may feel tired, heavy, or wobbly even if you walk often. Today, we'll show you 3 surgeon-approved moves that are better than walking alone. Simple exercises that can restore your balance, boost circulation, and reawaken your body's hidden powerhouse. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? As we look at these exercises, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to, and remember to turn on your notification bell. The second heart doctors never talk about. Inside your calf sits the soleus, a deep muscle that acts like a second heart. When it contracts, it pushes blood up from your legs to your heart, fighting gravity and keeping your circulation strong. As we age, this muscle weakens, especially if we sit for long hours. Poor soleus activation leads to leg swelling and varicose veins, cold feet or tingling, fatigue during simple activities, poor balance or lightheadedness when standing. That's why walking isn't enough. It mostly uses the upper calf and thigh, leaving the soleus underworked. But these next 3 easy exercises can turn that around, all approved by orthopedic surgeons for seniors. Move 1. The seated heel raise. Let's start with something so simple you can do it right now, even while watching this video. Sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your knees at a 90-degree angle. Now, gently lift your heels up while keeping your toes planted. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower your heels back down. That's 1 rep. Aim for 15 to 20 reps. It might look small, but it does something powerful inside your body. Every time you raise your heels, your soleus muscle contracts, pumping blood upward toward your heart, like a mini pump. It helps reduce ankle swelling and water retention. It improves circulation, especially for those who sit a lot. It lightens heavy legs and relieves that tired, dragging feeling. Try it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Pro tip, do it while reading, praying, or watching TV. You'll barely notice the effort, but your heart and legs will thank you. Comment below if you've ever felt that heavy leg feeling, and tell us where you're watching from. Move 2. The standing calf raise. Next is the standing calf raise, one of the most surgeon-recommended moves for seniors. Why? Because it not only strengthens your calves, but also improves balance, circulation, and confidence when you walk. Here's how. 1. Stand behind a chair or against a wall for support. 2. Keep your feet hip-width apart. 3. Slowly rise up onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Then gently lower your heels back down to the floor. Repeat 12 to 15 times. You'll feel your calves tighten and your balance improve immediately. This movement engages both your gastrocnemius, the large outer calf muscle, and the soleus, giving your lower body complete strength. What's amazing is that it's low impact. Unlike squats or jogging, the standing calf raise doesn't strain your knees or hips, yet it builds the same kind of strength that prevents falls and keeps your legs toned. Orthopedic surgeons often prescribe this move to patients recovering from knee replacements or balance problems. Tip: add light hand weights if you want to make it more challenging later. 4. Move 3. The bent knee calf raise. Now we go deeper. Literally. This move targets the deep soleus muscle, sometimes called your hidden balance engine. It sits underneath your main calf muscle and controls how steady you feel when standing or walking. Here's how to do it. 1. Stand near a chair or counter for balance. 2. Slightly bend your knees, like a soft squat. 3. While keeping your knees bent, lift your heels slowly off the ground. Hold at the top for 2 seconds, then lower back down with control. That's it. Keep your knees bent the whole time. That's the secret to isolating the soleus muscle. Do 15 reps, rest, then repeat once more. You'll feel a deep, slow burn in your lower calves. That's your second heart waking up. This move increases blood return to your heart. It prevents dizziness and pooling in your legs. It improves posture and balance, especially when walking upstairs or standing for long periods. And here's something doctors love about this move. It strengthens circulation in your deep leg veins, helping to prevent problems like varicose veins or swollen ankles. Comment soleus strong if you're doing this move with me right now. The amazing benefits after 60. Now that you've seen all 3 moves, let's talk about what happens when you make them a daily habit. After just 2 to 3 weeks, many seniors report less swelling and water retention in their feet and ankles, warmer legs and toes because circulation improves, more energy and endurance for walks or chores, better balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls, and most importantly, confidence, because when your legs feel strong, you feel unstoppable. This is why doctors call the soleus the forgotten hero of healthy aging. It's small, deep, and quiet, but it's the reason some 70-year-olds still walk like they're 40. Combine these 3 moves with your regular walks, and you'll have a complete formula for leg health and vitality. Surgeon-approved, joint-safe, and effective, all without equipment or gym membership. Remember, walking is good, but waking up your second heart, that's how you stay strong, stable, and full of life. Quick routine. Try this simple 5-minute plan. 15 seated heel raises, 15 standing calf raises, 15 bent knee calf raises. Repeat twice daily, morning and evening. How many reps can you do today? Comment below and join the Green Health Challenge. Walking is great, but to truly protect your legs and heart after 60, you need to wake up your second heart. These 3 moves can help you stay strong, independent, and active for years to come. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this today. Stay healthy, stay young, naturally with Green Health. Thank you for watching till the end, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Never forget that Green Health cares.